Do you want to finally stop killing your plants or having to guess if your plants need water or not? Then you definitely have to purchase the Dr.Meter moisture meter. There's no batteries necessary. All it is this instrument, and it has a meter here, which basically it shows you if your plant is completely dry, if it's moist, or if it's completely wet, where you don't need to water it at all. If you're like me, you used to stick your fingers into the soil, trying to dig in there to see if your plant, if the soil is wet or not, but you don't need to do that anymore. So let me show you. I have a plant here, and I am going to stick it into the dirt. And usually I like to go all the way down. And if you can see here, it shows that this plant needs water. So all you have to do is then just water your plant and you are good to go. You can use it on bigger house plants, smaller house plants. I absolutely love this product, and I highly recommend everybody that has indoor plants purchase one of these. It's great.